Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So we have successfully worked on this add friend details, right? So whenever I am trying to add a friend details, so it is able to successfully add this one. We are able to see in our components also. In the app.js, we are able to see this one. Now we need to show this one in our friends list component. And also after adding this one, we need to make this text box as empty. So how can we do this one is, there's a simple thing. Let's go here in our friends list. Sorry, not in the friends list, add friend. Here I will add the upon adding after successful completion, and I will make this one as set name of empty. Fine, right? So done. Now let's go to the another thing. What I will try to do is, so add friend is completed and we need to work on the friends list. So here in the app.js, here I will try to send the friends here. Friends is equal to friends. Okay. So here I will be sending the friends. Fine, done. And app.js, app.css, and the build share, and here this is our friends list. And here we will be getting this one as a friends. And here I will add these all the things here friends list. So I will add here friends details or otherwise. And I will take one UL. And here I will do the loop of friends dot map of I will get each friend, and here I will do the li, and I want to show only the friend name, so friend dot name. Now if you see the output here, so we are able to see the details. And now let's add some CSS for this one. So for that one, for the CSS, let's go to here, and here I will add for the UL list style none. I will do list style none, and I will make margin of 0 pixel and padding of 0 pixel. So why? Because it will get some margin and padding for that one. Fine. And yeah, here, so we have added these details. Now let's refresh this page, and hopefully everything is working fine. And if I try to click on this add, so here it is got added. Why this friends list we are getting some error? Each cell should have a unique key property. Okay. And where we are getting this friends list, yeah, here, right? So for this one we can add a key friend.id. I am adding a unique key. Now I think everything is working fine. So now first step is completed, so we are able to show this friends list, friends details. Now let's work on this build share. So build sharing thing I will be working on. If you go to the build share here, this is our build share, and here let's do the HTML part. And here I will be having one h3, again build share details, anything, or share build details, share build details. I will be having this one. Sorry, why this spelling mistake? Yeah, now here I will be having one form, and in this form I will be having one div, and here I will be having one label, and I will write select friend who paid the bill. Who paid the bill? Okay, such a lengthy label. Now I will be having one select box. So here select, and I will give one option, value is equal to empty, and here select friend. So we need to select the friend. We need to loop over this one by one. We'll do it, try to loop over. And here we will be having another label and bill amount. We need to show the bill amount. So this is also done. And here I will be having one input box. Input type is equal to text. I will keep it like this only. Sorry. And here I will keep it like this only. And the last one is nothing but the button. So here we will be writing the same button, class is equal btn, and all those things we are writing it, right? So we'll do one thing. We'll create a new component here. I will go here and I will create a new component with the name button.js. Normally we will be doing it like this. So button.js, and here in this button.js, export default function button, and here you will be having something like on click, and also you will try to get the children also. Okay, so whenever you are having an on click, you can get this on click, or otherwise you can get the children also. And now this is a function, as this one is a function, and we will return the button. Okay, button, sorry, class name is equal to button btn, and here we will show the children. Okay, So if you are having any on click or anything means, so here you can write on click is equal to on click. That's it, done. Fine. So this is completed. Now we need to use this button. So where we are using this button? Actually here. So in this one I can use this button. So button, this is a component. Why this component is not coming? Export default function button, right? So this is fine, and here button, no, it's not coming. Why is there any problem in this one? Fine, let's go to the add friend. So in this add friend we will add this, we will remove this one, and we will do this button. Oh, still it is not coming. Export default function button. Oh, sorry. So this one we need to have a capital. Fine, let's go to the add friend. Here we will see, we will get the button or not. Yeah, button. And in this one we will have add friend. Okay, so this is our one button. And here in our bill share we will have another button. Okay, so this one will be something like an add bill or anything. So we will add a clear thing, add bill. Fine. So now we have added this button, and we need to import this button. So where is this button? Yeah. So we will import this button. Now if you try to see, the same button gone. What happened? The button gone. We are not using the class name or not for this button. Class name is equal to btn. Fine. And here we are not having the btn. Here we were having also the btn. So okay, class name, it should be class name. Fine. Now we are able to reproduce the same code, but the same button component we are reusing it. Fine. Now we are adding this select friend, and here we are having this friend's details. Now here we are not having any details, right? So we need to show these details. Whenever I add a new friend, here I need to show these details here. So how can I show this one? So for this one, in our app.js, for the bill share also we need to pass the friends. So let's pass the friends here. Friends is equal to friends. So we are passing the friends. And here in our bill share we got the friends here. Sorry, we got the friends here. Fine, we got the friends here, and we loop over one by one here. Friends dot map only, right? Map friend, and here we will be passing an option value is equal to friend dot id. Okay, you can pass friend dot id, and here we can show friend dot name. That's it. So sorry, friend dot name, we are passing it. So that's it. So we are now, when I try to see the output here, we are able to see Leela. Now when I add another friend, something like Dheeraj or anything, okay, if I click here, see here we are able to see the friend automatically getting added, and also not only that one, so we are able to see that friends list is also getting added here. So first step we have completed it. The next step, share bill details, is also working. Now in the next video what we will try to do is, we will try to submit this form. So when we submit this form, the bill details and all those things should be added to that particular friend, and the bill details should be shared between the friends. So we'll try to see that one in the next video. So what I will do is, I will commit this all the code in a new branch, that is video-35 and bill share details. Okay, bill share details. So here I will commit this all the code, publish this branch. Now whoever may be having doubts or anything, so here if you are having, so this is our GitHub repository link URL. So the link is provided in the description below of the video. So if you are having any doubts means, you can watch that way. You can go to this particular link, and you can go to the branch of that one, and you can have the code for the reference. So hope you understood about this project. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.